Extreme Texas. Weather swings can wreak havoc on your home's comfort and efficiency, especially through the garage door. Investing in an insulated garage door can stabilize your home's temperature and significantly enhance energy efficiency year-round. These doors are built with layered insulation, offering not just thermal protection, but also remarkable durability and sound reduction. From bustling family activities to afternoon thunderstorms, insulated garage doors absorb noise and withstand wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Imagine enjoying a peaceful garage space, free from the disturbances of outside noise or harsh temperature fluctuations. The strong construction of insulated doors provides enhanced security, making it harder for intruders to access your belongings. With an insulated garage door, you'll notice savings on energy bills and extend the life of your HVAC system over time. This investment not only improves functionality but also elevates your home's curb appeal and resale value dramatically. If you use your garage for hobbies or as a workspace, that added comfort during extreme weather conditions is invaluable. Furthermore, proper insulation helps reduce humidity, leading to better air quality and lower chances of mold issues inside the garage. Considering an insulated garage door upgrade, it's a decision that brings lasting benefits for comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. Invest wisely and transform a simple garage into a secure, comfortable haven for family activities and home projects.